welcome the decision of the Government of India. Amit Shah, the Home Minister, had told me recently that this process will start. I am hoping that this will be peaceful repatriation and they will be given proper accommodation. I also am slightly concerned that with the new wave of corona, I hope this process does not get delayed again, because the Guru people have suffered for very long and I don't want them to suffer anymore. We have fought very hard for them and we have fought we have fought for their rights, but that fight and that struggle should be given a logical edge. I appreciate the role of the Government of India in following it through, but I'm slightly worried about the delays, especially because the second wave of corona is coming. I hope this process does not get further delayed. That's my only concern.
Maharaj, now you also have a role in that directly, in the sense you are in the ADC and they are being repatriated in ADC. What will be your role in that?
My role will be to facilitate them. You see, people don't realize I'm not here to do politics over people. Whether it is the Tiprasas, whether it is the Bengalis, Manipuris, Hindus, Christians. I just want my state to go in the right direction. And I believe that if there is less politics and more focus on rehabilitation and repatriation, it will help all of us. Because eventually, if they do not get a proper, decent life, we all should look upon ourselves and say, why did we play politics with a group of helpless people who have struggled for too long? Whether it was Dumbur or whether it is now, we cannot play politics with their future. We have to give them an honorable livelihood.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.